Alright guys, here's a quick video. We're going to open up some soccer cards, or football as they call it across the pond. This is a very inexpensive Panini red, white, and blue set. Let's see, we're chasing pretty much Christian Pulisic or any rare expensive card. Let's see. Open these up. Alright, first we got Ben Mee from Austin Villa, looks like. Dean Henderson. These cards, regular base cards. Number 6. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, let's see. Michi Bushi, Crystal Palace. John Lundstrom, Sheffield United. Kyle Walker-Peters, Southampton. Ainsley Maitland-Niles, Arsenal. Alright, let's get some inserts. Let's go. Serge Aurier, Hotspurs. Oh, James Rodriguez, Everton. Pretty cool. Yeah, regular card. Alright, what do we got here? Adam Webster. Manuel Lanzini. Pedro Neto. I believe he's Portuguese. Lucas Digny, Everton. Matthew Ryan, Brighton Hove and Albion. This is last year, so this is awesome. U.S. men's national team, Anthony Robinson, Jedi from Fulham. Rookie card. This is probably my best one so far. Let me see. Anthony Robinson, born in '97. Alright, let's put that aside. It's a good player. Roberto Firmino from Liverpool. Cesar Azpilicueta from Chelsea. Again, hoping for Christian Pulisic. Alright, Callum Robinson. Good young player, I think. Tom Kearney, Fulham. Naby Keita, Liverpool. Rodrigo Moreno. Alright, hopefully running out of cards here. I haven't seen any, unless this is a insert. No, I don't believe so. Alright, let's wait. Maybe they're the last 5. Rodrigo Moreno, Leeds United. Ilkay Gundogan, he's pretty good. Man City player. Is this a prism? Oh, this is one. Harry Maguire, captain of Man United. Wow, this is a pretty cool looking card. Let's see what it says on the back. I don't want to give anything away there. Alright, number 2. Alright. Let me see. Who's this? Who is this? Let's try this. Sorry, guys. Another prism. Who is that? I'm all over the place. Yeah, here we go. Jay Rodriguez from Burnley. Not as good as Harry Maguire, but I'll take it. Let's see. Orange prism. Luke Thomas, rookie card. Not sure how good he is. Plays for Leicester, defensive player. Pretty crazy looking card. Alright, come on. Who is this? Let's get a Pulisic. Let's get up with no. Oliver McBurney. Instant impact. Sheffield United. That was the last card, guys. Not really what I was hoping for. I'm kind of glad to get the Anthony Robertson rookie. But, yeah, hopefully better luck next time. Maybe I'll keep getting these cards and just keep a chasing pulicic series going. Again, like, rate, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.